Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake the easy way. First, let's create the perfect crust. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Combine these ingredients thoroughly, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Bake this delicious base for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to set it perfectly. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. Start by beating 3 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually add 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, mixing well after each addition. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt for that perfect flavor balance. Finally, gently incorporate 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing just until they are combined. With your filling ready, carefully pour it over the pre-baked crust in your springform pan. Bake your cheesecake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 70 minutes. You'll know it's done when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. Once baked, let it cool completely at room temperature. Then transfer it to the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. After chilling, your easy cheesecake is ready to be enjoyed. Carefully remove it from the springform pan. For perfectly clean slices, use a sharp knife warmed under hot water and wiped clean between each cut. Garnish your masterpiece with fresh berries, a vibrant fruit sauce, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. Store any remaining cheesecake in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.